friends. Hello. That's not really how I talk. Hi everybody, hope everybody's doing good. This is Rosanna from Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery. You can send me a PM, private message, on Facebook, Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery. You can message me here if you're interested in a baby. My babies start at $2.95 for select kits. That would be closed-eyed babies with no hair. What's the matter, Chubsy? You cold? Yeah, Chubsy's my little studio partner. That would be for regular select kits, and then limited editions start at about $6.50 to $6.75 and go up from there. Rooting is $150 extra. Magnetic passies right now for the pricing is $15 for a magnetic passy. I use German glass eyes, glass blown, and sometimes flat back. So here I'm working on Pixie, giving her some coloring. Then continue to layer the coloring on. Bake, layer, and give her coloring. She's got to get her lips done. Let's add some coloring to her lips, if you can see. Then once you're done with your painting for the day, clean your brush off in alcohol. I have a little jar over there. And this is the first layer for the lips. And then I'll come back and do subsequental layers. Subsequental layers. Hope everybody's having a nice day. And the warm weather comes your way. And what else? Layers in the ears. Make sure you color those ears. Don't worry about a little blob. If you could see that little blob, you're just going to blend it. It's like doing makeup. You don't do one big blob. You don't want to have one big blob. Make sure you don't need any Tide Pods or whatever the next exciting thing is that the internet's going to show young teenagers to do. What could be next? I don't know. Trying to eat French onion soup through your nose? That would be exciting. Let's see what's happening. Oh, I don't know. Nothing is really going on my phone. Let's get that out of the way. So yeah, I'm adding some detail coloring to this little lady. And she's going to hop back into the oven. What oven? I'll tell you. I use a microwave, not a microwave. I use a New Wave Pro oven. What temperature? 265. How long? 8 minutes for each bake. Then when you're going to do the matte varnish, you leave it in for 10 minutes. And you could bake it 2 different times. 2 to 3 times, depending on what you want to do. I do it about 2 times. So here she has her little redness to her ears. She's not an elf. She's just a little pixie. And that's her. So we're going to say goodbye. Pixie, say, wait a minute. Don't go falling down. Say goodbye. Bye. See ya.